Good morning, students. Today we will read the first chapter of the book Flamingo, titled as The Last Lesson. It's written by Alphonse Daudet. The setting of the story is in 19th century when war was going on between Persia and France. Persia is present day Germany and Poland. In the war, Persians defeated France and captured two major districts of France, namely Alsace and Lorraine. The lesson describes how Persian rule affected the life of people of Alsace and Lorraine. The main character of the story are Franz, a student, M. Hamel as the French teacher. Franz is a young boy. He is late for school and he is not prepared lesson on participles. He was afraid of teacher's ruler and he thinks of running away and spending the day outside. He overcomes temptation and rushes to school. When he was going to school, he saw the crowd in front of the bulletin board. He didn't stop there to inquire and rushed on. Blacksmith told Franz not to hurry, but Franz did not slow down as he thought that blacksmith was making fun of him. When he reached school, the he was surprised as there was not any noise and any commotion. There was not any hustle and bustle. Students were sitting quietly in their respective seats, and teacher was not rapping his ruler on the table. Teacher didn't scold him when he reached late, rather, he spoke politely to him and asked him to take his seat. Now he was surprised to look at his teacher because his teacher was wearing a special dress. This dress he used to wear on prize days and inspection days. He was surprised to see the elderly people of the village sitting on the back benches of the classroom. M. Hamel told the students that only German language will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. And this was the order that has come from Berlin, that no French language will be taught to the students, only the German language will be taught to the students of Alsace and Lorraine. Now Franz feels sorry for ignoring his lesson. He was deeply pained at the thought that M. Hamel going away and leaving the school where he has worked for the last 40 years. Now the teacher starts teaching his lesson, and the teacher tells that French language is the most beautiful language, and he advised them to hold fast to their language. He also told them that if they will stick to their language, then they can get the key to their freedom. He tried to teach them everything in one go. He taught them lesson in grammar, and also he taught them lessons in writing. And then everybody was getting emotional and they were all very attentive at the same time. Then the trumpets of Russian soldiers were heard. Then M. Hamel wrote Vive la France on the board to dismiss his last class. So now these are the main points of the story. And now you will note down the meanings of some of the difficult words used in the chapter. Now, here are some of the words: dread, fear; resist means to control; apprentice means learner or trainee; in unison means together; commotion, that is noisy confusion; Angelus, the bell for prayer; and Vive la France, long live France. So you should read the chapter, and then we will discuss the question based on this chapter in the next slide. Thank you.